They got a good crowd in here tonight. You got some live music coming up. Maybe. Smash burger, $5.99. Wings and tenders from $7.99. That's a better deal. And here's Denny's. I told them they needed to put a fake tree right here or something. It just doesn't look right. I mean, it's not inviting at all. It's not like you're going in there to have a nice meal. It's like you're waiting for your registration for your 66 pickup truck.
I'll take it.
$2.50 draft beer all day. So obviously this is a, I don't know, percentage-wise, 98% local. Only because somebody might be driving across the country, ended up on Boulder Highway somehow, and needed to sleep here. I don't know who. I don't know why. If I see him, I'll ask him. All right, $3 pop up. As you can see, no table games at this location. The Arizona Charlie's on Decatur still has their table games. Yeah, they got a crowd for this band, whatever it's going to be. I'm sure it's every Friday and Saturday night. Not the same band, but I'm sure they have live music every Friday and Saturday night. I bet they've had a fight or two in here too. That's just a guess. I know they've had a few in the parking lot. Ooh. It did not look all that safe out there. $2.59 for a slider, a meatball slider. They look pretty good. Their chicken wings look good too. How much is a bunch of chicken wings? $10-piece chicken wings, $20. $20.99, so $21. That's the regular price on the menu. They got specials. And they have a William Hill Sportsbook. Yeah, they're getting ready for this band. This band must be good. Every seat taken in the lounge. This gift shop on their drinks is extremely cheap. So if you ever find yourself in here, don't think you're going to get ripped off at the gift shop like you will everywhere else. Like real cheap. And there's the check-in. $4.99 for a hot dog somewhere. PT's, I guess. Yeah. I'm not sure who stays here. I don't know why they would. Ooh, that might be my shortest walkthrough video in my history. But there was no way I could make it any longer. That's about all there is to see. There's a lot of things going on in this parking lot. I could make it longer and tell you all about it, but nah, I'd probably get sued. But you can just imagine. Because you got the hotel right here. Some people have, you know, a hotel room. And then some people use more than one person in that hotel room, if you know what I mean. Yep, that's the story out here, Boulder Highway. All right, adios.